Hi everyone, Kitsune here. 2 videos in one day. Yay! I'm doing another opening. It is the Nintendo 3DS Universal Clean and Protect Kit. So yeah, let's get this son bitch open. Yes, I cuss. Don't judge me. I'm 25 years old. I think I have the right to cuss. Oh, my wife's right there. I turned the camera over, but yeah. Don't make me look like a wussy. I might need to. No, no, no. I, I got it. See, see. Yay.
I wonder if the dark thing
To who? I don't know. All I know is it's open.
You don't need dark thing on
What's this?
That's the queen.
Please peel off this mask after application has been made. Is this? Oh, screen protectors. Oh, they can protect my screen. Okay. Now I can assume this is a cloth to wipe it. And this is cloth. I got green because my 3DS is green and black. I got screen protectors. I got 3 tappers. Yeah, I call them tappers. Don't judge me. Tappers. Tap, 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 tap. Better not do that because it makes my screen shaky. And, what else do I got? Oh, it's one of those game holder things. I can hold up to 4 games. Okay, 4 games. So, yeah. This is another video I did for today. And look, my wife decided to show. Hey, honey. So, yeah. I won't be able to make any Let's Plays for this week. But, I will promise one thing. I will do more Let's Plays of Shining Force and Persona 4. And I will leave a schedule based on, well, when I can do them. So, oh, and I do promise a bulk load of videos of those. So, yeah, because they're fun to do. Bye-bye.